Okay, we're at geometry section 7.3, and these are all word problems dealing with indirect measurement with similar triangles. And I'm just going to jump in with doing one of the first example, and I think you're going to see fairly quickly how this works. So at a certain time of day, a 6-foot man casts a 4-foot shadow. So there's a 6-foot man with his 4-foot shadow. At the same time of day, how tall is a tree that casts an 18-foot shadow? So obviously I'm not going to climb to the top of the tree with tape measure and measure it. So this is the unknown fact, or the unknown amount, which is x, and we know that it casts an 18-foot shadow. So I know that this over this has to equal this over this, because these are going to be similar triangles. So set up my proportion, cross multiply. 6 times 18 is 108. Divide both sides by 4, and the tree is 27 foot high, tall. And then I'm going to help you set up and start number 5. This one takes a little bit of time. It's not hard. It's just there's like 4 problems in one here. So we have a picture of this ramp, and it says that we need 5 supports equally spaced like the one that's shown. So that means I need 6 spaces around here. So if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 supports, right? So if this is to be evenly divided with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces, I know that each of those spaces has to be 100 or 1.5 meters. So I'm just going to go ahead and write 1.5 on all of these. And then I want you to look at how long, and then the question is, how long should each support be? So this large right triangle is going to be similar to this one. And then it's going to be similar to this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. And in order to solve, let's do this first one first. We'd have 1.5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 3. That's 6. So we have 7.5. Let's go ahead and just set up our proportion. I know that 7.5, let's call this x, over x is going to equal 9 over 3.6. Cross multiply. I gotta get my calculator. So 3.6 times 7.5 is 27. 9 times x is 9x. So x has to equal 3. This one is 3. Now you're going to do that same thing for the remaining triangles. There's a triangle. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you have to do that 4 more times. But this will get you started on number 5. And that is it for 7.3.